So today I am going to do the reading for the zodiac sign Leo, and this reading will be for this 1 week, May 11th to May 17th. What will happen? What is the expected outcome of this 1 week? We will see what is going to happen. And then we will also see about the career, then what is happening in your love life, romance, then career, then business, finances, everything we will see today. But before starting the reading, I would like to thank all my viewers, subscribers. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel, friends. Press the bell symbol to know more notifications regarding my new videos. Don't forget to comment if any reading resonated. If it did not resonate, please check my other readings also. Please note that these are general readings. They may or may not resonate with every viewer. I request you all to let me know what type of readings you want in future. If you want personal reading, please check the description box below for more details. Okay, so let's start today's reading. All the best, Leo. So what will happen in this 1 week? Angel, spirit guides, please help us. Please give us some clarity. What will happen for Leos? What will come in their love life? Then what will come in their love life? Then career, then business, finance. Please give us some guidance. Please give us some clarity. This many files I can't take. Okay, we can see here then 7 of cups, then 6 of swords, 3 of cups, 6 of swords again. Sorry, that is 4 of swords reversed. Then this is 6 of swords upright. Then 9 of cups, queen of swords, 5 of wands, death. Then 9 of swords. Okay, so this is Leo's reading. We will see what will happen in your career, business or finance. Okay, so I can see that in past you were very happy, you were celebrating, you were having daydreams that you will have this, you will have the promotion, you will have hike, then you will have profit in the business. So you were very happy and celebrating with your friends, then family, others and all. Then something also was there in your mind that was like dead. You are having some feeling, fear of something. Some fear is there inside you even in the past also. Maybe you are feeling that something might happen in future. So somebody is gossiping about you. Somebody is doing some backbiting about you in the workplace. But it is reversed. So slowly it was coming out, and you are coming out of that deceptive thoughts and bad thoughts and all. You are coming out of that. This person is sleeping on the coffin. So it is almost kind of a dead situation. But it is reversed. Just slowly you are coming out of the negative energy, and you are celebrating with colleagues, your friends and your family. So at the moment what happened, you are moving into calmer waters. Then you might travel also because of the work. So this is kind of going into a peaceful place. Okay, at the moment you are very good, you are happy. Then you are feeling that your wish will be fulfilled with 9 of cups. 9 of cups says that your whatever you are desiring, it will come to completion very soon. So next is 10. So this card assures that it will be, everything will be fine, and you are waiting for your fruits. Okay, you have done so much hard work, then you are waiting for your fruits in the career also. Then in your business also, your finance also, you are waiting for the good results. Then even Queen of Swords also, you are very strong and you are very confident. You feel that okay, everything whatever I will definitely get this offer, I will definitely get this hike, I will definitely get this promotion, then I will be number one in business. You are very very confident, you are very happy. Then you are waiting for the results actually. So when this will lockdown will lift, then when I will have good results, you are waiting for that. But in future, after everything is done, so then you will have a lot of competition. Finally, I mean, you feel that oh my god, I was expecting so much, all nice things and nice results, but there's so much competition is there. So many people are fighting for the same position which you are asking for, or same many competitors came in the business also. If you are doing the business also, so many competitors came. Suppose if you are a student, you are applying for colleges jobs, colleges admissions and all, so much competition, so much percentage they want. Even if you are working also, there is so much, because people are like after lockdown people are energized and they want to work. So something is death card is not a very bad card, so it is like transformation card. So suddenly your good thoughts, good hopes and all turned upside down with the death card, and you are feeling like backstabbed and you don't know what is the future. Then this week you will be definitely like you will be in a sorrow. You will be like thinking tension, depression, anxiety, maybe ill health also. I can see that maybe this week you will not feel good. You will not feel well of this connection, I mean sorry, this situation. So you will feel maybe physical health or mental health, you are not at all good in good condition. But the things will transform very soon. The death means transformation card. Things are going to change for you, but you have to carefully wait. Okay, so the numbers I can see here, maybe 9, then 13. So these numbers might be very much prominent in your life. 4, 6, 7. So all the I can see the synchronicity in numbers. 9 came twice, so 9 might be very prominent for you. Then even 13 also may be prominent for you. Okay, coming into your love and romance, I can see that you are dealing with a person. I can see swords and cups more. So swords means Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. Especially this Queen of Swords means Aquarius. You might be dealing with Aquarius. Then you can see Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. So these cups are also there. You might be dealing with Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. And then Scorpio is prominent here. Death card means Scorpio. Then this is Aquarius. So Scorpio and Aquarius are very very prominent here. So very few, very rare, some of them might have Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. So these are all the signs I can see that you are dealing with these people. So in the past what happened was, you both were very happy, you were celebrating, then you were having parties and celebrations and all. Then something happened, some third party came into your, because 3 of cups means some third party is there. So you both feel that you both have some trust issues. Even three of you can see the person is sleeping on the coffin, then 3 swords are on his head, then it is 4 of swords actually, but 3 swords you can see that it is pointing towards that person. So you feel that something is there which is not clear for you in this connection. You feel that some third party is there. Even you feel that your person is very greedy, your person wants to have more, he wants to have all the money, he wants to have other people, then he's very attracted towards other things, he's into dark energy, that's what you feel. Okay, then what happened in the present moment, you are feeling that Okay, it's okay. Like things are moving for the better. I am going to calmer place in this connection. We will have maybe some communication came in between. So this might be, I feel that long-term relationship. I can also feel that you both cannot stay away for so long. You both are not communicating, but at the same time, sometimes it will say hi, hello. They will say, then again the connection will be cut. So this is definitely, I can feel a long-term relationship, and you feel that this person is not trustworthy. So once they will say hi, hello, then they will ghost you forever. Then again they will come back, or you will contact them. So your contact will be like that only. Then Nine of Cups also, you were feeling that okay, this connection is we cannot separate. This connection is a divine connection. Then I will wait for the completion. You are slowly waiting for your person. You are waiting for this person, and you are very confident that this person, this connection will work out. Then Queen of Swords also, you both are very confident about this connection. Then Queen of Swords is Aquarius person. Aquarius person is also very, you are dealing with Aquarius person. That person is also very strong, stubborn, then clear. Like that person also will have the clear communication. So at the moment you are having a peaceful time, and at present you both are having a nice time, and very pleasant. Like you both are calm, quiet, stable, then caring for each other. It is going on well. But in the next week, what is going to happen is you will have again fights in your family, your friends, because friends are maybe interfering in your connection, as the third party is there. Maybe some fights will happen. Then because of that, you are thinking a lot, and you will fall sick, and you will have some problem, health problem, mentally and physically also. You might not come out of the house, and you are very, very sad, painful, crying and all. Even this death card, you feel like something is coming towards me, which is, even you will get the scary dreams also. So I suggest you to pray God and do meditation in this week. So this week will be little not so good for you. Then in this connection also, you feel that this is dead, this connection will not grow anymore. Like that, you will have the negative thoughts and negative emotions towards the other person. But death means not only death, it is a transformation. Okay, so for some very less number of people, somebody might, some death news might come towards you, like maybe your relative or somebody very far, or a friend or something. So maybe some death news also might come. So this week will be completely like you will be sad, you will be depressed, anxiety, what will happen, you can't sleep at night, you will wake up at night and cry. Then this kind of energy I can see this next week. This is not so very good reading. This is all happening in your mind. I'm not saying that this is physically happening, but all the fears and all are there in your mind, and nothing is happening in reality, but still all these are your fears. This will happen, this is happening. So you can feel that your person is in trouble, and this person is having some fights, arguments with his family, friends, and maybe the third party also. So somebody is definitely fighting with your person. You can feel all these things, and you are very much depressed. Okay, I feel that you have to be strong, and you have to do the meditation and pray God. So this is what I can say. This week I have this energy for you, Leo people. So let me know if it is resonated. Please comment if it is resonated with you. Okay, if you like this reading, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, friends. Thanks for watching this video. See you tomorrow. Bye.